This video deals with account maintenance. The first function is editing the license name, which is normally the name of the educational institution. Click the pencil next to the name and enter the new name and click OK. The second function allows you to customize your home page with your school logo. Click on the logo image, then click Upload New Image, select it from the list and use the plus and minus buttons to zoom the logo to the correct size. This software uses the domain from email addresses to determine the correct registration that a teacher or student belongs to. To add a new domain, click the plus icon and enter the new domain for your school. You can only add private domains that are unique to your school, and the auto login will normally be yes, meaning that people can log in automatically by using this domain. Set the Who field to those who can log in using this domain. Registration keys are used when the domain is shared by several schools, such as public state schools or Catholic schools within one diocese. Set up a registration key to allow people to log in to your registration using this domain and this registration key. Registration keys can also be used to register students into a specific class or group when they register.